Here's a conversation I was hoping I wouldn't have to have with you all, but apparently I must. It's about my wooden combs and the combs you buy from the beauty supply store. It's time for some facts, and we're going to do that right now. Are you ready? Because I'm about to break your heart. Alright, so the combs we have are wooden oil-infused combs, alright? This is one here. This is our epic-ass jumbo comb. Now, it's an oil-infused comb, right? By that it means that in this wood is infused oil, alright? The wood is infused with oil. Now, a lot of you all have this kind of comb. This is a plastic comb, a double-sided comb. $1. Or you may have an Afro pick. Same deal. Plastic, cheap, $1. Or you may have a rat tail comb. You get where I'm going with this? You have a comb that's plastic, right? You want to hold this, buddy? He doesn't want to hold it. He says it's trash. Here's the thing, right? There are oil-infused combs you can purchase on the Amazon, okay, or from the beauty supply store, preferably Sally's is what I keep hearing. And they have these white plastic combs that are oil-infused, as they say. Now, here is the kicker, and this is what bothers me the most about this entire situation. These plastic combs are, in fact, infused with oil. It's a factual thing. But what they do is they take the plastic, right? Remember, keyword is plastic here. So they take the plastic, they put a little bit of coconut oil, argan oil, and kerosene oil, as it says on the package, and they just put just a little bit in there, just enough in there not to mess up the structural integrity of the plastic. Then what they do is they package it, market it, label it as oil-infused combs. And guess who buys it? You do. And guess what you get? A plastic comb like this. And what happens when you have a plastic comb like this? Nothing. Okay, nothing happens. Nothing special happens. All right, they market it and they package it all off to you as it'll help detangle your hair easy and help with frizz. And no, it's crap. It's a lie. They're lying to you. Okay, you are falling for a marketing strategy of the utmost, lowest of what's the word for it? Like it's like a word that shows like a word that shows that they aren't being honest or true. Okay, the utmost despicableness. Okay, and the reason why it bothers me so much is because a lot of people will comment and say, I've used an oil-infused comb before, Mike. It did no difference, no better for my hair. Yours are no better for me than the one I got from Sally's is. Ah ha ha. Ah ha. Malarkey. Okay, bull crap. Okay, that's a lie. The reason why it's a lie is because this right here is a wooden comb. Now, wood, right? If you've ever done wood shop or just been outside or had a wooden table and you spilt some wine on it and that wine got all stuck in the pores and you couldn't get it out, that's essentially the same concept I've done with these, right? There are pores inside of wood, okay? I had a whole debate with somebody a while ago that there's no pores in wood and that person's an idiot, but whatever. Okay, there are pores inside of wood. Wood breathes, right? Wood breathes. So the oil that we put, the 10 different oils are infused inside this comb, meaning, right? Are you ready, buddy, for this? Are you ready to drop this? Meaning, okay, that inside of this comb, 10 oils have made their way into each and every pore of this comb. Each and every pore, each and every reservoir in this comb has oil inside of it. So what does that mean for your hair? That means when you go through and detangle it and comb it, there's going to be an oil transfusion. Transfusion? Oil transference. No. Transfusion. Transference. Oil transference. Okay? From the comb to your hair. You alright, buddy? Am I talking too loud? Okay. From the comb to your hair is going to be an oil transference. Okay? This transference will now help your hair to have better hair. No, help your head have better hair. okay? Because we're focusing on the root here. So this will give your hair, or give your hair, the scalp, okay, the oils and the vitamins and minerals that, I'm gonna put this down. I'm probably getting a little aggressive there with that, and I don't want you all thinking anything of me. So it'll. It's a screwdriver. Just stop. You okay, buddy? I'm sorry. But yes, okay. So look, to put it simple, all right, these plastic combs that they're selling to you at Sally's or any other beauty supply store, Amazon or anything, they're combs. They do a spectacular job of doing what they're supposed to do, detangling your hair. I have no issues there, no debates, no files. I'm not going to throw anybody in a bus and talk trash about anybody's business. I'm just saying you need to pay more attention to what you're buying. You all right, buddy? You good? Okay. Because if you're buying a plastic comb that is infused with oil, essentially all that means is that inside of this 100% plastic makeup, right, maybe 0.2% or 0.5% or 1% of it is actual, this coconut oil or whatever it is that they say is on there is actually what you're getting, right? And then that's not really making its way into your hair. It's a great marketing strategy, and I wish I could do a better job of marketing to you all that way so you can all see honestly what I'm doing here, but I'm working on it. Essentially, this comb here has holes in it, small holes that you cannot see, that are embedded with the oils. Those oils will help detangle your hair faster, okay? Help introduce vitamins and minerals and nutrients to your hair, all right? So essentially, again, one more time, this is the real deal. The plastic combs are trash. That's it, all right? Again, not talking down about anybody's business or whatnot. I'm just saying they're selling you trash. That's not rude. They know it. I know it. You know it now, okay? So hopefully this sheds some light on the situation. It's his bedtime. It's time for him to go night-night. And, yeah. Good for you, buddy? All right, you want to do the outro? You want to do the outro, buddy? You got to stand up on my leg. Come on, stand up. Say the thing I told you. Don't buy cheap combs. Your hair is worth more than that. Yeah. All right, buddy. All right. So, yeah. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully. It probably didn't.